This is Jesus Manuel Menangarza for RV and Travel Adventures. I'm at Lake of the Pines and I'm camping over here. It's a very nice campground. It's pretty close to Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's tomorrow. And it's a bit overcast. I guess a bit more than overcast. Significantly overcast. It's been sprinkling all day, and tomorrow, Thanksgiving, it's supposed to rain significantly. Again, Lake of the Pines at the park we're staying is pretty close to, actually, its address is Jefferson, Texas. Very near Shreveport, Louisiana. In fact, all the TV stations we get are from Shreveport, Louisiana. So let's get started with this video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Here's a short video of our campsite, E223, one of the poorer campsites I've been at. It was rather difficult to get into. I had two people, other campers, help me out back in here. I am definitely not a professional or even a mediocre amateur at backing in. So I was all over the place. Two trees, and that, you know, I worried about those, and they look pretty big in the rearview mirror. So there's my Chevy Colorado V6. Had no issues towing it here. There's my Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S 2022 edition. I'm already disconnected. Of course, I have the two locks right here. Make sure I put away the chains, etc. I just still have the 80 amp battery in there, the standard lead acid AGM battery. There's a front window, and of course I have my very nice side marker cameras. Two side marker cameras, Haloview, thank you very much, and a backup observation camera. I'm connected here at my power watchdog 30 amp connection. I have also a lock. I have various hoses. This is my cheap hose. I've been using my cheap hose for quite a while. I don't use my expensive hose, but I use my cheap hose. It's a budget hose. Of course, I'll have links to all these products in the description so you can make me some money, because I could use some cash at my Amazon affiliate page. Yes, I do have an Amazon affiliate page. When I got here, I switched out the anode rod, and first I cleaned it out with a probe, and I washed out quite a bit, chunks. I'm talking about a 1/4 inch by about a 1/2 inch chunks of calcium, apparently calcium deposits. I have it set for a little bit above 40 psi. Is that good? Do you think that's good psi? I have an elbow. I have the pressure regulator. I have the budget water filter. I have a little bit of an elbow, and then I have my budget hose that goes over here. Pretty straightforward, huh? And I still have the rudimentary 30 amp plug. And yes, the blue light's on. It's working. I have my sewer hose in the bumper. And there's my stab jacks. And I have my chocks on both sides. This just comes out. And there's my my hose, my sewage hose is in my bumper. I put a little bit of reflective tape in the back of my RV as I'm going down the road because I am paranoid. This is my towel rack right there. And my stairs are out. I really like these stairs. So there's my wife. She's planning our day. How you doing, sweetie?
Great. I'm figuring out the map.
That's one of us has to figure it out, huh?
Yeah.
So she's busy. Here's my little night light that's solar powered. Just goes right here. I just attach it on there. Again, I'll have links in the description to all this wonderful stuff that I have. And you can support this channel by doing so. There's my other side marker camera by Haloview. I plan to put in the passive storage my 2 AO lithium 100 amp hour 12 volt batteries eventually. I just have to spend the time because that requires a lot of rewiring of my cables underneath and through the pass-through, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. Again, this is my campsite. Some people have very nice Villanos by Van Lay. Very nice. Can't complain about that. I've seen some very nice Cougars. There's a nice little, let me pan to the left, a nice little Cougar. That's a very nice travel trailer. Can't complain about those Keystone Cougars. So I'm backing up, showing you where I'm at. Hope you're doing fantastic where you're at. This is a little overview of my campsite at Brushy Creek at Lake of the Pines, East Texas, near Jefferson, Texas. Hope you're doing fantastic. Thought I'd show you the inside of our travel trailer, or Rockwood Mini Lite 2205S 22 edition. So here's our kitchen area. Just want to show you what it looks like when it's been used. Actually, people have been occupying the RV. Sometimes people show an RV and it's all pretty with flowers and whatever. There's our kettle, coffee, decaf regular, our pour over plastic version. I have a ceramic version at home. I should bring my ceramic version next time. There's a little saucepan, various cleaning materials, and this is the mess over here. I just thought I'd show you the mess, what it looks like in the morning. We just woke up. There's my one of my jackets. I brought around 3 jackets. My wife brought a jacket. There's my wife's purse. It used to be my small carry bag. Now she uses it as a purse. My wife's closet over there. She has a little kettle right there. She has a little coffee kettle for this morning. She has a special pillow she likes, and I have my pillow, and it's a mess. I have a little bag with my underwear, socks, and stuff like that. My wallet, so it's loaded with cash. It has about at least $3 in it. And there's my camera bag, my phone, my glasses, my little case for my DJI Pocket 2. So as you can see, we keep everything closed up. I just cleaned all the windows because it collected quite a bit of moisture. There's our 2 little recliner seats. Very nice. And we have a little vac. This is for garbage and that's for recycling. We are those kind of people. I apologize for recycling to all you people saying, hey, don't recycle. It's just a myth that we're having issues with our environment. We put our food in here. Of course, we have tons of cans of stuff that we never open the cans. I always just use, microwave meals. Stuff in here. My wife has lard. I don't know what she needs. Lard, Crisco, vegetable oil, not lard, rather. So she has muffin pans. The list goes on and on. So there's my shoes, my little Keen hiking shoes, and my wife's shoes over there. Not much in our fridge. I just have some, let me turn on one of the lights here. Just some microwave meals. My wife is a vegetarian, so she'll eat the broccoli and cauliflower gratin. Tasty! Not so much. Refrigerator has some milk, pickles, coffee, tortillas, butter, and of course, my wife's favorite Jiffy corn muffin mix. Some mashed potatoes, peaches, and we have a couple apple pies. We got to get to that maybe tomorrow. Some lettuce, cheese. There we go. This is the closet. This is my closet. My wife put her jacket in there, just has some in there. So I have plenty of fleeces. It's very nice. Patagonia rain coat. This insulated fleece from LL Bean. Very nice. Has some shoes for if I wanted to go wading in the water, which I won't be doing this time of year, mid-fall. Over here's the restroom. We have this contraption laying over the door to hold some of our stuff. It's already becoming a bit of a mess. I'm just storing my cooler here this time. The toilet paper, after it gets used, goes in that little container with a bag and we collect it. It does not go down our toilet. So right now this is our setup over here. So what do you think? Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza. Again, what do you think? Please leave your kind and super friendly comments below. Abajo. What would you do differently? Thanks for checking out my video. Hope you like it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, leave them below. Abajo. Muchos gracias. And again, I hope you're doing fantastic. Again, please like, subscribe, and share. You know the drill. I'm always asking people to subscribe to my rather modest channel. From Lake of the Pines, hope you're doing fantastic where you're at. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.